In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find shares on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are on the main screen, direct your attention to the left side of the platform. This is where you will find the Watch Lists panel. The Watch Lists area is where you can quickly search for and organize the instruments you want to follow. Next, click into the search field inside the Watch Lists panel. This search bar allows you to look up specific share CFDs by either their company name or their ticker symbol. After selecting the search field, type in the name or ticker of the share you want to find. For example, you might enter AAPL for Apple, TSLA for Tesla, or MSFT for Microsoft. After you type your search term, wait a moment for the platform to display the matching results. Pepperstone will show the available share CFDs that match what you entered. Look through the results carefully and identify the share you want to open. Once you see the correct share, click on it to select it. After that, double-click the same share to open its chart. This will bring up the chart in the main workspace, where you can begin reviewing its price movement in more detail. When the chart opens, take a moment to review the market information shown on the screen. You will be able to see the live bid and ask prices, along with the chart itself. This helps you confirm that you have selected the correct instrument and allows you to monitor its current market activity. If the share is not already saved in your watch list, you can add it so that it is easier to find later. Keeping important shares in your watch list makes it much more convenient to return to them without needing to search again each time. From there, continue monitoring the share directly from the chart. You can watch the live prices and follow how the market moves in real time. This is useful if you are tracking opportunities or simply keeping an eye on a specific stock CFD. Finally, verify that you were able to successfully find and open the share on the platform. If the chart is visible and the live pricing is displayed, then the process is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.